Hello, fifth graders, and welcome to our second writing prompt for our writing memoir. This writing prompt, we're going to go and discuss and look at what it is you're going to be writing about in your memoir. And it says to tell the story of when you first heard about the coronavirus. How did it make you feel? Did you talk to others about it? What did your parents say? About when was it that you first heard of the coronavirus? So I want you to explain to your readers in your memoir over on prompt 2 here what it was like for you. What did it feel like? What were you thinking in your head? Did you talk to other people about it? Again, I want you to add detail, and I do not want to read, when I first heard about coronavirus, I was at my house. My parents talked about it. That's when I first heard about coronavirus. That is not detail specific enough. I want to know where you were, how you felt, if you had questions. Again, a memoir, you need to be able to allow your readers to experience the feelings you were experiencing. So, on your memoir writing document for prompt 2, you need to write at least 4 sentences, complete sentences, documenting your feelings towards when you first heard about it. Now, if you want to write more than 4 sentences, that's totally fine. Don't feel like you have to do only 4. You can do more than 4 if you want. So what I want you guys to do is, again, you're watching the video, you're writing the draft in your document, and then you're going to answer the brainstorming question as a comment on this post. So your brainstorming question is, did you ever think that the coronavirus was going to come to America? Answer in complete sentences. The coronavirus actually started in Asia, in China, and it quickly became a global viral infection. So it started in one place and it quickly spread. So I want you to answer, did you ever think it was going to come to America? And I will do my answer in the comments once I see you guys starting to comment more on here. So again, you're going to watch the video. Hopefully you're watching it now. Write your draft in this document right here, and then answer the brainstorming question. If you cannot find this document, go to your drive, and you should be able to search memoir writing document, and it should pop right up for you. So again, if you can't find this document, go to drive, search this up, and it should pop right up for you. All right, guys, good luck, take care, and I'm excited to read it.